Welcome to the Bearded Patriot TV. Man, that's good stuff, man. I have not been on social media for quite some time, and I've taken some time off, and um, I've had this channel out there just kind of sitting out there, and I thought, you know what? I'm gonna get back on this thing and start rocking out some vids and get the message out there about the beards, right? Because as I've said in the past, I stand today. Might be some disagreement out there, but beards are pretty trendy these days. And so on this video, it's a welcome back video for Bearded Patriot, and maybe throw a couple tips at you real quick, and kind of start off your spring if you're at the initial growth or you're just growing it out. I'll throw a couple things at you so you can continue to rock your beard with pride. But hey, it's great. It is really good to be back. I'm gonna try and upload weekly, maybe a couple times a week. I got some great ideas and some great content to put out there. Um, but I think between the time I've been off the air until now, um, the number one question I get is how long did it take for you to grow your beard? That's the number one question. And I mean, I'm so used to it um, that when people come up, oh, I love your beard. That's a nice beard. I don't do it for all that. I do it for me, right? Because it's my fashion. It's what I do. It's what I like. And they ask me why I have a long beard or how long it took me to grow it. After being many, 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 many years in the military, I just shave every day. So now that I'm out or been out for quite some time, I can I can grow it out and do what I want with it. So it kind of just started with, so I guess you can call it my beard story, right? It kind of started maybe 2017. I just kind of started growing it out, and I just said the heck with it, and I just let it go. Um, I mean, I've gotten it cut a couple times, but it's all about how you handle it, right? Like your beard grooming, what you eat, your vitamins, what you drink, what you put in your body, depends on the health and the length of your beard. So, but later on, we'll get into patchy spots and what you can do for that. We'll get into some good grooming tips. I kind of consider myself an extreme groomer, right? Um, because I want the beard to always be looking healthy, um, and well maintained. Now, mind you, I do have a barber that comes by my house once a week, and absolutely phenomenal. Takes care of the split ends and keeps the sides all nice and trimmed down. So, take care of your beard and take care of you. But going back to the question of how long did it take me? So I started growing this thing out in like 17. I just kept playing around with it, and I was one of those guys when I first started shaving. I would I'd line it up and play with it and try to hit the chin, my neck, and I do all that stuff. And I messed up a couple times, right? We all do. And I'd nick myself or mess up the cut or the beard. Like, daggone it, I have to start all over again. So, um, if you're trying to grow a beard out, the spring's coming up, summer's around the corner. Um, just stop playing with it and just let it go. Just leave it alone and let it go. And the other thing is this, don't let somebody, oh, it doesn't look good on you. If you want to grow a beard, grow a beard. So um, to the wives and girlfriends and family and loved ones, oh, I don't like that on you. Okay, well, I'm not growing it for you. I'm growing it for me. I mean, we don't tell the women to, what to wear or how to do their nails or how they're gonna do their, their their makeup. Makeup's a big deal, right? Or what they wear. So let the guys kind of do what they want to do. And so, guys, you got to put your foot down. Don't. Because I have guys come up to me in a mall or at a restaurant, and they'll roll up to me and go, "Hey, man, that's a real nice beard, and you know, I was gonna grow one out, but it's always that but, right? It's that but. But my wife she don't like it. I was like, really, dude? And you came up to me strong. And you left with your tail between your legs. But yeah, just and everybody has their own style. Everybody has their every guy has their own way. So, if you're trying to compare yourself to another beard, man, just rock yours the way you want to roll it, the way you want to grow it, and the way you roll with it. So, um, you all have your own little growth pattern, right? So I'm different from somebody else. Um, but yeah, just it's yours. Rock it the way you want to rock it, and keep rolling with it. But sorry, but one thing is the way you eat. What you drink, what you put in your body. Um, and I'll hit on this later on. I'm gonna do a good video on some good beard stuff that's out there that I've tried, and I'll kind of rate the top stuff for you guys. So kind of recap, kind of bring us up to speed on some stuff that you should be doing. Um, One thing is, and I'll put it right here, is definitely get yourself a good beard oil. I'll put it up here for you. Yes, I've been using it, but Honest Amish, um, and the Beard Struggle, they put out. Not I don't um, I don't get kickbacks for this. I'm doing a wide variety of everything, but Honest Amish puts out a really good beard oil, and I've been using that for years. And again, we'll get into on how to apply the beard oil. I don't want to oil this. I want to oil my roots, right? So that there's a art to it, and there's a procedure. Um, and then you want to clean your beard, right? So we'll get into this too, the beard and body soap. I don't use this for my body. I use Dove, but it's a brand new bar. But this goes on your beard. You never, ever, ever, ever use bar soap on your beard, right? So you don't want to do that because it'll dry your beard out. But this is the beard. This is the brick. It smells really good. But this is just for your beard. It's pretty good size, and I think this probably lasts me probably about a month, a little over a month, because you're washing your beard every other day. Don't wash your beard every day. Um, so you wash it, you get out, apply the oil on your beard when it's wet to get the most out of your oil, right? Um, and then after you apply the oil, if you have those crazy ones hanging out, get you some good beard balm. It's beard butter to kind of lay that stuff down. So, um, there's lots of things to cover, but I wanted to kind of reach back out and ping you guys and let you know I'm back on the air, and we're going to throw some good stuff out there. We're going to get out, right, once vaccinations are in, and we'll still social distance. We're going to get out and go to the malls, do some live interviews with some fellow bearded guys, maybe ask some women, just do some interviews and get out there and kind of talk about it. There's I said it earlier and I'll say again, beards are trendy, right? So they're kind of making their way back. So if you have the ability to grow one. I'd love to hear about it. I'd love to see it. I'll put the email address in this vid here. Email me and beardedandproud@gmail, and let me know your thoughts. Post comments. I read them, good or bad. I think they're hilarious. It's some of you guys are funny. But yeah, just let me know your thoughts, and it's good to be back. And if you have questions, ask me. I'd love to answer them. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this upcoming week that's coming up. Don't work too hard. Look forward to hearing your comments, and you'll be seeing a lot more of me here in the near future. So good to be back. Share if you'd like. Reach out. I'd love to answer any questions you may have about initial beard growth or growth, and but we'll definitely start throwing some stuff out there to help you guys out. Last thing is I'm putting together a beard kit. I want to get back while I'm getting back out there on comms here. So it'll be some beard oil, beard comb, beard balms and beard soap and some conditioner. I'll put that together for you, and I want to send it out to you. So, and we'll see what happens there. So I'm at 44 now. I'm gonna do something like my 100th subscriber, but I want to do something now. So I'll definitely start looking at posts and comments. If you're able to share this and like it and comment, I would really, really appreciate it. And I'll definitely get that kit together, and I'll just randomly pick somebody, and I'll send the kit out to you guys. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. It's good to be back. I'll definitely be back to you guys soon. Appreciate y'all. Take care.